Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm previous tutor. Have a physics question here which says a block of mass 2 kg has a constant velocity when it is pushed along a table by a force of 5 newtons. Then when the push is increased to 9 newtons, what is the resultant force and what is the acceleration? So the first thing for you to do here is to ask yourself, where is this question coming from? Of course, this question is coming from the Newton's laws of motion, particularly which one? The second law of motion, forces and acceleration, dynamics. Now let's go. How do you look at this question? First of all, let's look at the data that we have. I always encourage students to write the data. We have the mass. We shouldn't even rush into solving, just collect the data. So we have the force that was first pushing this, then that force has been increased to 9. That means we have our force 1 is 5 newtons and our force 2 is now 9 newton. Now, as you might be aware, we have a block, right? Like this. It's being pushed. So it's being pushed by a 5 newton force. When the push is increased to 9, now the push is like has been increased. Now, the fact that they are using the word increased, right? This guy here, the force is acting as the friction force. Then the other force is helping us act as the forward force. All right? I hope that is now making sense. What else do we have? We don't have the acceleration. We also do not have the resultant force. That is what you are looking for there. So now, in this case, come here. To find our resultant force, we are going to say the difference between force number 2 and force 1. Since it's an increase, we are going to start with force 1. Like I said, it's an increase, so this one is positive. That will be 9 minus 5. This will give us 4 newtons as the resultant force. So that is the answer there. Get the concept, isn't it? The keyword is increased, and this guy was the first one. This one was acting in the opposite direction to this one. Now, part B says the acceleration. From Newton's second law of motion, all right, we can get our acceleration from force is given by the product of mass and the acceleration. Okay, in this case, our F is the resultant force and our M is 2 kg, one that we got here. So now, what is our acceleration? If you make A the subject to the formula, just divide by M, divide by M. So you make A, okay, you get A to be equal to force over mass. The force is 4 newtons, acceleration is 2 kg, so this will give you 2 newtons per kg, or you can say 2 meters per second squared. They are the same. There's no difference, guys. Alright, so thank you so much, and I hope that this video made a difference to you.